safe. And then came the lot of hackings and those things. So the people were starting to lose trust on our cloud infrastructure. So I made an algorithm with which I hope the cloud is made more available, cheap, and at the same time most secure. With my work, I hope individuals will have a better sense of their personal data security. At the same time, financial institutions like banks and other things can have more secure transactions. And I also hope my initial work is implemented by others and the amount of work is improved. Thank you.
I call Mr. President to give the award to Srinath sir. Now about hygiene, sanitation and road safety. It is very important to have a road safety, hygiene and sanitation in day-to-day life. Like our President Mr. Modi had already said, to clean every road, and that is so. May I call Mr. Sailesh Maurya to give the citation on this field of sanitation, hygiene and road safety. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. I would like to first of all thank the Nimble Foundation for its organizing an award function like this and recognizing the contributions made by our exceptional people for the betterment of society. Here I would like to I take an honor to introduce Mr. Pramod Batra, who has done exceptional work in the field of hygiene, sanitation and road safety. Let me give you a brief background about the kind of work that Mr. Batra has contributed for the society. Basically, we all know sanitation, lack of sanitization is the root cause for all the health issues. And his idea was to create as much awareness about the sanitization and at the same time provide with the needy and with the low cost solutions which can be implemented by the society. So he first introduced a low cost sanitizer which can be used, which can be distributed freely in especially schools and rural areas, which children can use before having their meal. This will avoid various diseases like diarrhea and fever. And his other contribution was innovating a mobile Sulabh Shauchalaya. He is the founding member of Sulabh Foundation, which focuses on working and innovating various low-cost products which can be used for sanitization. These mobile toilets are deployed in rural areas which rural people can use, and so that they don't have to go out in open for their basic this thing. And this will be also placed outside school and create awareness in schools about the basics of sanitization and basics of using toilets. His next initiative was launching a campaign called Pinkathon. Pinkathon is basically, he has come up with a brilliant idea of combining sports with road safety, and at the center of the initiative is women. So the idea is to create awareness about road safety in women, who will in turn be advocates and who will guide their husband and children, and they will make sure that there is no rash driving, people are following rules and regulations. So the Pinkathon initiative is basically launching in basically people combine it with cycling and marathon. So create awareness around the road safety with these kind of events, and also get corporate participations who in turn popularize the road safety initiatives amongst their employees. It's my honor to welcome Mr. Batra to share his experience and enlighten the audience with his thoughts. Thank you very much.
Mr. President, distinguished Chief Guest, and ladies and gentlemen, I am truly honored and privileged to be standing here in front of you and getting an opportunity to speak about this topic. It has already been said by my friend here in his citation already about all the work, so I'll not really duplicate the same things which he has said, but here I would like to just make an humble request to all of you that India is a huge country and we are a growing nation, and to be really developed and to be really having a position of icon, I mean as a superpower, we need to really focus on our basic hygiene. It's in our day-to-day life, and I really want all of you to be ambassadors of this hygiene, safety and road safety, and the onus lies on us. The government itself cannot do everything. Modi ji can drive Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, foundations like Sulabh can initiate a lot of mobile sanitations. Organization like Gunj can do a lot of awareness and recycling of unused products for rural India, where people don't get to basic sanitization facilities. So all these organizations can do their bit part, but the onus really lies on each one of us present here, that I really want all of you to be ambassadors, and when you go out of this room, please spread the message to at least 10 people and make them hygiene champions, whereby they are spreading this awareness to 10 other people. And if you see something happening on the road, somebody not following the hygiene and safety things which we should follow, then you please take time and be a role model. If he's throwing something, please pick that up and put it in dustbin. So when you present like that in the society, you'll really build the role models. And we really want a true shining India. And the true shining India cannot be, even in Mumbai, we talk about big cities. But if you go to Gateway of India and you go to the key tourist spots, those are not really hygienically kept. When the tourist comes and you look, I mean, is this the India, developing India? No, sorry, I don't want to carry that image to the world. And I want really you to be the role models and help organization like us to carry that image forward and take the nation forward. Thank you so much.
Mr. President, please award Pramod Batra for this. Now our last award, which is healthcare. Mrs. Veena Jugani, please come on the stage for the citation of this award. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
And I'm here to introduce to you Dr. A.B. Goritankar, who has been awarded the Nimble Prize for Healthcare. He is a well-known orthopedic surgeon at the LTM Medical College and Hospital at Sion, Mumbai. He has always been a brilliant student and topped in class. His inner desire as a young boy was always to serve the community. And what better than taking care of the health of people? Because we all know health is wealth, which is why he took up medicine. He did his undergraduate and postgraduate course at the LTM Medical College, where he is heading the department for the past 15 years. He has specialized in the spine surgery and the knee replacement surgery, and the numbers of surgeries which goes up to the tunes of thousands. Majority of his work is in the government hospitals, where the huge number of poor and needy are treated. We all know the cost of medical treatment today is very, very high. And he, with the help of the NGOs, has made provision for donations, so the cost burden is not totally bared by the patient. Dr. A.B. Goregaonkar is also a professor at the MUHS University. He also conducts multiple lecture programs, seminars, workshops at national and international levels. He teaches the students to become successful and efficient orthopedic surgeons. He also conducts multiple programs for the community to improve the health and to detect the problems at an early stage. And then goes further to help them solve their problems. What more noble and humble work than taking care of the health of people? Sir, we are proud to have citizens like you in our country. I request Dr. A.B. Goregaonkar to come here and speak a few words and receive his award.